Hey, it's Andrew Helmich here from PhotoBizX. One of the things I've always said about the podcast is it's meant to be like a workshop that comes to you via your earphones every single week automatically. And if you've ever been to any photography workshops, it's pretty cool if you come away with one or two, maybe three things that you go on to implement. That's usually a successful workshop. That's what most people are getting from each episode of the podcast. And a case in point is last week's episode with Steve Saporito. He's a photography business coach. He's based in Australia but has clients all around the world. And his big focus is on teaching photographers to create a better connection with their clients before they become clients. So build that connection, find out what's important to them about their family, about their loved ones, about their pet, whatever it is that you're going to be photographing. Find out what makes that love for that other person or thing so special, and then capture that with your photography. Build a better connection, capture that connection, and your clients will spend money on wall art. That's the way it works. That's what he teaches, and that's what he shared in last week's episode. That's a small portion of what he shared. But what I wanted to share with you today is Genevieve Palmer, who's a PhotoBizX premium member. She did exactly that. She took away one piece of information that she gleaned from Steve in that episode. And here's what she said. She posted this in the Facebook group. Amazing interview. Need to listen to it again to soak it all in. My biggest takeaway was Steve's focus on bringing out the relationship between clients. She went on to say, I added one question to 3 consult calls this week. This is engaged couples. She added one question to the call that she made with these couples, and she asked them, what's one or two things you love most about this guy or gal that you're going to marry? She says the response has been amazing so far. My favorite was a groom who said, she's strong in all the ways that I'm weak. Then that same groom said, I love your approach and we want to work with you. How good is that? So she took one little snippet of information that she gleaned from Steve in that interview, implemented it the same week, and made a booking. Now, I'm not saying the booking only came about because of that one thing that she picked up from Steve, but it certainly didn't hurt her chances. It improved them, and now it's part of her workflow. And what I can imagine happening is Jen will go on and listen to this week's episode with Kristen Kidd. She'll pick up something from Kristen, implement that into her business, and move a step forward to being more successful again. And that's what the podcast is all about. If you want to check out that episode with Steve, head over to photobizx.com/349. Sorry, 348. I'll add a link in the description below. Go and check it out. You will learn a ton from what Steve has to share. And if you want to know about book projects and pet photography, check out this week's with Kristen Kidd. It's photobizx.com/349. Again, I'll add links in the description below. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.